President ke NPP Konrad Sangma mentak khanruturi ujemmang arhajar arpulai loong ba ke Jingiadei hapdeng ke NPP bat ke UDP ha ke sarkar kan Ktah Eiei na ke Jingmih jongkarai upat ba ke Sohiong. Konrad ubayalam ya ke MDA tu kumu menteri rangba loong ru ba kampat don kanu ke Jingmih ban ai menteri.
In election time, even during the 2023 general election time also. But if you recall, after the election, we have all come together and we stressed on the fact that we have been working in the past 5 years to take the state forward. And in that same spirit, we want to continue. Hence, yes, in elections, this is the nature of elections, and political parties will give speeches and sometimes words will go out of control sometimes. But overall, as I said, we as a coalition, as MDA, we have always kept the larger interest of the state in mind. No, if it had to be affected, it would have been affected in 2023 general election. Even in 2023 general election, there was a lot of language that was used, but still we continued. No such decision has been made. As I said, these are all speculation that has been done.